All right, so we want to do 7.1 number 17, which is simplify the square root of 200. So this is really an evaluate question, right? I'm just looking to make this number easier.
Yeah.
So what's the thing I should remember to help me with this? Yeah, this product thing, right? So the square root of a product is the product of the square roots or something?
Or something.
Or something, yeah.
2 and 100.
What?
Aren't you supposed to know?
I know, but it's more productive from a learning standpoint for you to wonder for a second.
Not.
Kid you not. Education research is really weird. This is one of the things that's found. So, what?
I know what the answer is.
Okay. What's the answer and how'd you get there?
You want to put 100 and 2 underneath the square root and then take 100 out. I think it's 10.
Okay, so you're saying, all right, 200 is 2 times 100.
Yeah.
Awesome. And I can square root 100, right?
Yeah.
So I need this rule that says that I can break a square root into 2 pieces
Yes.
over a product, right? Okay. And then, wait, what was that? Square root of 100?
10.
10.
10. So I got square root of 2 times 10. Am I done?
Well, you could.
Okay, some of you are saying, no, you've got to put the 10 in front, right?
Is it plus or minus?
No.
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 Why not?
Because it's not x squared equals
Mm-hmm.
yada yada.
So the plus or minus comes from when I put the square root in. There's just a square root here, right? Presumably that means somebody already decided to pitch the negative one. You see that? When I put the square root in, I need that plus minus. When it's just there, it really just means the positive one. Cool? What's the reasoning for this?
You're dealing with a much smaller number.
Yeah, this is kind of a cleanliness thing. Usually we put kind of numbers, funny numbers, then variables in alphabetical order. Numbers, funny numbers. Seems like probably the right order. This isn't wrong. It's just a little less clean and
So
not the way most people would write
Couldn't
it.
you break I wanted to break down the 10 into 2 and 5. That was, and then I got confused.
'Kay.
So could you break the 10 down into 2 and 5?
Yeah, so we could break 200 in a number of ways. Another way we could break this is we could say this is the square root of 4 times 25
Times 2.
times 2. Or alternatively, we could say this is the square root of 2 times 5 times 2 times 5 times 2.
Okay.
Sure.
Right?
You're certainly
Okay, any one of these is fine. They'll all get you the same answer.
Okay.
The thing is you have to group pairs because you're square rooting. If we were cube rooting, we'd be trying to group triplets. Right? But here, I want to group the pairs. So there's a pair, and then there's this odd 2 left over.
Mm-hmm.
So that'd get me 2 times 5 times the square root of 2. Right? One of these pairs gives me that 2, so that's these 2. And the 5s give me that 5. And then there's just this lonely 2 that's kind of left under the square root. So
That makes more sense than that. Okay.
yeah, however you think. This is really going to be how do you personally think of 100.
Okay.
And either way is fine. They'll both get you the same place. I still, on this one, I would still multiply that together and
Mhm.
get this.
Yeah. Okay.
Cool. Questions, concerns?